We got our chili cheese. Everyday cooking, dad, cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back, guys. Today we're doing hot dogs, right? And Frank's where I come from, right? And this has come from Costco, right? And you know, Costco, everything is big. You get these 3 packs, and in each pack, right? Each pack, you got 12 hot dogs. You don't get 12 hot dogs from the supermarket pack, right? You just don't. And we're gonna make them 3 different ways, right? We're gonna cook it with some sauerkraut, right? Nice. We got Franks and beans, right? Guys, the idea is we're doing this stuff quick, right? We wanna get in, get out, make some hot dogs for lunch, and keep things moving. We got Velveeta cheese, which we're gonna pair up with some chili sauce, right? Hot dog chili sauce. Guys, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be quick. This is gonna be fast. Be right back once we get everything all set up. All right, guys, so we're doing it the first way, right? This is the easiest way. This is a can of sauerkraut. You could also get the one that has in the plastic in the refrigerator, but that one was way more. And this is the store-bought brand. I don't see any difference between the name brand and this. So this is easy, guys. I usually just use the whole can, and we're going with the hot dogs. Guys, I don't know if you do this. This is what I do. I cut a slit in the hot dogs, right, in the hot dog pan, just so I can pull one out. Right? And these just go right into the pan like that. Right? And by the time you heat this up, your Franks are dicing one, because these are already cooked, right? By the time you heat this up, you're ready to go. You grab a bun, put some mustard down, and you got your sauerkraut. All right? I mean, you just put the hot dogs in a sauerkraut in a bowl, heat it up, throw your hot dog in, scoop out some sauerkraut, right? Put that right on top, right? All right, guys, here we go. Just regular hot dog or Frank with sauerkraut, right? Now, I wouldn't dare put ketchup on this, right? You eat it just plain like that. I mean, I don't know why anybody in the world would want to put ketchup and sauerkraut, but I'll go down with a little bit of mustard, right? Go down with a little bit of mustard. That's it, guys. And we got a hot dog that rivals anything you get in the New York City street cart, right? And we got a quick, easy lunch, guys. This is quick and easy. All right, I'm gonna go in with this one. You know, these hot dogs from Costco are really, really good. They'll rival any kind of Nathan's hot dog. All right, in we go. Guys, this is good. Alright, guys, and number 3 is Franks and beans, right? This is the easy one, right? I'm just pouring this whole thing in here. And I'm gonna just put a little bit of water. Guys, and we just take our hot dog, cut it up, throw it in. Alright, so that's it, guys. We got our Franks and beans. I probably would put more, right? If I was cooking for 2. But this is just for me. And hey, look, we're gonna heat this up, guys. Alright, guys, that's heated through, right? Let's go ahead and plate some of this up. This is easy schmeezy, guys. Alright, guys, so here we go. I go down with a little bit of mustard. That's probably enough. Alright, guys, there we go. Now let's just heat this up. I usually mix this right up. Guys, this is good stuff, right? And I'm just going in. I gotta get a piece of that pork, right? With a Frank. Some beans on there, right? How about that? Right? I'm going in for a taste. Guys, this just works. This is a meal. You got 2 Franks and a can of beans, and you're good for the rest of the day. All right, guys. Second one, right, is we're gonna be doing the chili sauce. Guys, we're just heating this up in this pan. That's it. Right? It's a very, very thin sauce, right? I'm gonna put a little water in here and put it in there. Guys, I just noticed this. Look at that hot dog. It's got jalapeno. That's gonna be good, nice and spicy. And guys, real quick, the Velveeta. I'm just gonna chop this up, microwave it real quick, 3 times, and this will be done. Alright, guys, so I'm outside on the grill, right? And guys, we're just gonna put some Franks down. Right, this is for the chili cheese hot dogs. All right, guys, so real quick, let's make sure we don't want to burn our bread. All right, guys, so we got our hot dogs, Frank's, off the grill. Now I'm just gonna go down with some of this Velveeta cheese, guys, right? Not melted too well, right? I just put this in the microwave for like 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. And it's what's cooking all about, guys. You make mistakes, right? And I'm gonna keep this going. So you know what the plan is now? I'm just gonna go ahead and put this outside on the grill real quick. Try and get this cheese to melt, right? Should be a little thinner than what it is. At least I want it to be, right? Don't you hate that? The bust through? The bust through? I'm gonna pull this one to the side. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. Go down with some of that chili, right? Guys, this chili is very, very thin. Very thin. Hot dog chili, right? Alright, guys, I'm gonna take this outside real quick. Alright, guys, real quick. I'm just gonna throw these on the grill and give it like 2 minutes, 3 minutes just to heat through. Alright, guys, so here's our busted bread, right? I mean, we could use this. I mean, it could be just fine. But guys, back in the day, we didn't always have hot dog rolls, right? That's a modern invention. This is how we ate hot dogs. On a piece of white bread. Just like that. And that was a hot dog bun. It was pretty dang on good. So you know what? We're gonna make this the fourth way. Alright, so we'll be back. Alright, so here's our chili cheese hot dogs, right? There's just one more thing we gotta put down on top of that, right? Just a little bit of raw onions, right? That's it, guys. That's our chili cheese hot dogs. Let me give you guys a quick flyover. Chili cheese and onions, guys. Straight out of the can, brought straight to you right here, right now. All right, let's give this one a taste. I'm gonna go for this one. This one a nice taste, right? Guys, the bread is nice and toasty. Cheesy. I don't really get a lot of the chili, but it's, you know what? It comes in the background. Guys, this is smeezy, this is greasy, this is good. Alright, you guys gotta make it, gotta try it. Quick Saturday afternoon, you'll be a superstar. Kids will love this. Alright guys, here's our three ways. We got our chili cheese, we got our sauerkraut, we got our Franks and beans, and hold up. And if you from Grant Projects, you got yourself Franks with a bread, right? You may not even have mustard. But guys, that's it, right? These are our ways of having a hot dog. Every day cooking, Dad, cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.